Barry O'Hagan, Head of IT, Mid-Ulster District Council. I suppose what I'll take away is we have an awful lot of work to do in terms of reviewing our business continuity and recovery plans in the event of a security incident. On a personal note, Amar, I loved your style and engagement, keeping the group active within the breakout sessions. You're well organised, you're professional, and your examples and real life scenarios is something I can take away. I'm looking forward to getting all the material and using that as a basis to build it into our service plan for the next year in terms of all the work we can do and sort of not try and eat the elephant in one bite, and sort of build that over the next year to carry out some of the jobs we need to do. But no, thank you, much appreciated and very valuable course, something I'd recommend to the rest of my IT team even.